In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook "This reel has no sound" problem. Let's get started. First, make sure the reel is not muted. Tap the speaker icon on the video and increase your device volume using the volume buttons. Also check that your phone is not in silent mode if you're using an iPhone. Next, try playing a different reel or video. If only one reel has no sound, the creator may have uploaded it without audio or the sound may have been removed due to copyright restrictions. If all Facebook videos have no sound, completely close the Facebook app. Check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Facebook. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Next, allow Facebook permission. Launch settings and search for Facebook. Once it appears, click on it. Verify that the required permission are enabled. After that, restart your phone and reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection before testing Facebook Reels again. If the problem still is not fixed, try logging out. Wait for some time and log back in. Next, you can try the web version instead. So launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of Facebook, provide your credentials and log into your account. From here, you can try to access Reels. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.